In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to your Wix website. Whether you're building an online store, blog, portfolio, or any other kind of website, animations can bring your design to life and create a more engaging experience for your visitors. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add entrance effects, scrolling animations, looping motions, and even interactive mouse effects to your site. Don't worry if this is your first time experimenting with animations. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Wix account and navigate to the site you want to edit. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you select the correct one from your dashboard. Once you've found the site, open the Wix Website Editor, which is where all the design magic happens. The editor is the tool you'll use to customize your site and add the animations we'll be working with today. Now, let's focus on the text elements you want to animate. In the editor, locate the specific text element you'd like to enhance. This could be a title, subtitle, paragraph, or even a call to action button. Once you've found it, click on the text box to select it. When you do this, you'll notice that a menu of options appears, giving you control over how that text looks and behaves. Once the text element is selected, look toward the top of your screen for an animation icon. It's typically represented by a monitor or screen symbol. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the fun begins. This button opens up a menu of animation options that you can apply to your text. The first category of animations you'll see is called entrance animations. These are effects that determine how your text will appear when someone visits your site. Browse through the available options and choose one that matches the overall style and tone of your website. For example, a fade-in effect might work well for a sleek and modern site, while a bounce effect could add a playful touch. As you click on each option, you'll see a live preview of how it looks, which is helpful for making your decision. Next, let's explore loop animations. These are designed to keep your selected elements in continuous motion. If you want your text to gently pulse, rotate, or shimmer while someone is browsing your site, this is where you'll set it up. Loop animations can be a great way to draw attention to important elements, like a special offer or a feature announcement. Just make sure not to overdo it. Too many moving elements can overwhelm your visitors. Another option to consider is scroll animations. These effects trigger when users scroll down your page, helping to guide their attention as they move through your content. For instance, you might choose a slide-in effect for a section heading or a fade-in effect for an image caption. Scroll animations are especially useful for adding a dynamic storytelling feel to your site. If you want to take things to the next level, you can also add mouse effects. These animations respond to the movement of a visitor's mouse, creating an interactive experience. For example, your text could tilt slightly or glow as your visitor hovers over it. This is a great way to make your website feel more engaging and responsive. Finally, don't be afraid to mix and match different types of animations to achieve the exact look you're going for. You can combine entrance, loop, scroll, and mouse effects to create a cohesive design that enhances the overall experience for your visitors. Just keep in mind that balance is key. Too many animations can distract from your content, so it's a good idea to test your site and ensure everything flows smoothly. And that's it. You've now learned how to add animations to your Wix website. With these tools, you can transform a static design into something dynamic and visually interesting, helping your site stand out and leave a lasting impression on your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.